So guys, Cisco Customs here. We're doing rear brakes on a Ram 2014 5.7. So we're gone. So disc is no good no more. We're gonna replace the disc, rotors, brake pads, and I'm guessing the other side is as bad as this one. I'm gonna do a part 2 on this whole video on the other tire, so y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, we're doing the rear. So I think that's all I need. Hammer, 21, pry bar, Torx number 6, and it's not a Torx, it's something like that. Socket 19 for my lug nuts. Number 10, I'm using a swivel for the caliper, and my 3/8 input. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we're gonna start with the rear tire. Alright, as we can see, there's not much brake pads left. Disc is kind of good, should be good with the disc. So we're only gonna be replacing left side, driver's side, rear driver's side rotor. We're gonna keep these rotors, they're still good. So just brake pads on rears and one rotor. Alright guys, now for this next part.